everybody, it's Luisa and today I'm opening some new squishies. They're all from Banggood and there's a lot of packages here, but some of them only have one inside. That's how they ship them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with this one. I'm very excited for the squishies I'm opening up today because some of the squishies I've ordered are going to be very cute. And I am a huge fan of those characters. So the first squishy I have is a Kiibru one, and it's a kitten on a Swiss roll. No, it says it's an elf, so we'll call it an elf. Elf. We'll call it an elf. And the packaging is very adorable. Kiibru has come through with packaging. They've made it so much better. Whoa, so much air coming out of it. That's so slow rising. Let's get it out. It's been a long time since I've bought Kiibru squishies. They came out with lots of them and I was excited about it. I wanted to buy some. So this is the elf Swiss roll. I'm going to call it a cat. Oh my god, it smells so sweet. And it's a squishy. Look at its back. This is adorable, guys. They've pretty much upped their game. I'm not sure if it's pronounced like that, but that's pretty high quality stuff. So yeah, let's move to the next one. The next squishy I'm going to open is this one. There are two inside. And the first one is this CINAMONROLL squishy. You cannot see it clearly from here. Yeah, I'm going to take it out and show it to you guys. Is this? It smells so nice. Look, it's so cute. Is it indeed CINAMONROLL? Am I saying it right? I cannot remember if that's the correct name for this squishy. The lighting is because it has a pearl shine. You cannot see it very well. No, you can. So this is so cute and I love it because it's a Sanrio character, and lately I'm in love with everything Sanrio. Seriously, it smells like milk. It's so squishy. Yeah, that's a good one. I like it. I'm going to put it right there. And wow, the next one. Ooh, the next one is this one. And you don't know what this one is unless I show you. Open you. So these ones are the JDREAM mini breads. And this package took so long to arrive. I've ordered them all on the same day, and this one took like 1.5 months, I think, to arrive. Oh my god, that's so adorable! I'm going to move some stuff to make space for them. Obviously, I'm not going to take them out of their packaging because I believe it would destroy their value taking them out. So they have a tag on them. Doesn't say much, just something in foreign language. So here you can see it says JDREAM. And this is a bread loaf. It's not squishy, it's just soft. Doesn't have a slow rise pop-up. So yeah, that's the one. So this one is a bun. Don't know. Bean bun? I don't know. Oh my god, it's so adorable. So glad I got this. They're so cute. Yeah, Next one is another bun. Oh, so cute! This one has a paper around it, so maybe it's like a tart, not a bun. I don't know. Next one is this baguette. Don't know. And yeah, they're not that soft. They're very dense, but I love their packaging. And another bun, I guess. So cute. Okay, so that's it for this ones. So glad I got them. I mean, they look amazing. I love their packaging, and I love that they're minis. I think my lighting for this video is a bit awkward. I don't know. If you think it's weird, just tell me down in the comments. So, the last item from this bag is the Gudetama bun, which is sealed, and I don't want to open it because I don't want to open it. But I'm going to open it, okay? So, this is the packaging. I don't know if it's Sanrio licensed. I don't think so, because it would say it on the packaging if it was Sanrio licensed. Why do you put these barcodes on everything? They have a reason, I'm sure of it, but it's a bit frustrating because they do destroy the packaging. So, going to carefully open this one and try not to destroy it. Yay, I did not destroy it. And here he is, he's lying on his belly. Ooh. And ooh, this is the first time I got something like this in my hand. Ooh! Oops. Look at it. So cool. My dog is literally knocking my door to get inside. Well, a lot knocking it, but scratching it. So, oh my god, this is so good. This is the first time I get a squishy like this one. And it's so good. Ah, Gudetama. It's not going to destroy his design, right? Doing this, it's so stretchy. No! No! I destroyed it! No! No! Why? Okay, I'm going to purchase the second one because I destroyed this one. So good! I mean, it rubs off very easily. To keep it intact, you don't have to touch it. So, yeah. That's it for the Gudetama bun. Oh, I forgot to tell you the prices for all of them. So that's what I'm going to do right now. 1 second. So this one was €6.62, and this one was $3.31. The mini breads were $6.54, and the Gudetama one was €2.03. So it's pretty cheap. Everything is pretty cheap. If you want cheap squishies, get them from Banggood, guys. The next one is this one, and let's cut it open. Ooh. Oh. This is a loner in the packaging, but I don't mind. So this is milk bread. I don't know why it says milk bread, because it's not milk bread. Anyway, it's Toy Sweet and Eric Squishies. This is a huge ice cream, and the colors of it are to die for. So god, it's heavy and very soft. It smells very good. And this one cost me €6.99. It's very good. I have the same one, the Kiibru one, with other colors. And no, it's not the Kiibru, the Giggle Bread one with the white color and orange spots. And it was one of my first squishies, and it was so soft. This one is not as soft as that one, but it's pretty soft. You can't see it from the video. For slow risingness, we've seen better, but it's not bad, it's good. Ooh, I like how it holds my hand crinkles. It's so good. And the smell is so nice. Next one is this one. And where did I leave the scissors? Right here. Ooh. This one has new Kiibru squishies inside, and they have very pretty packaging. Yeah, I didn't know. I don't know why I said it. Oh, sorry, like that. But yeah, look at the packaging on this squishy. It's so nice. So, sliced toast, and it has strawberries and blueberries on it. Oh, it's so soft. It's not dense at all. It says Kiibru Bakery. That's so cute. Let's open it up. It smells so nice. So nice. So, it's not very thick. Well, it's pretty thick for a slice, because you've seen slices, they're very thin. And my god, it's so soft. I don't know, because it's this thick, the thickness is not very big, but there is no density at all on the squishy. It's so soft. And it smells so good. It smells like a bakery. I'm going to squish it like this. Whoa. And it has licensing, Kiibru, yeah. You heard the little, it makes me exciting to see licensing on the squishies. It makes me exciting. It makes me excited. Oh god. My English is not so good, guys. And I'm sorry for that. But I'm trying, okay? Next one is another Kiibru squishy. And why did you put the barcode in the front? It says MEOW puff, and it's a pastry puff, and it's so adorable. I forgot to tell you the price for, where is it? For this one, it's $7.44, and yeah. And this one is $7.44 too. They have the same price. And the packaging is very nicely designed. And this is very soft too. It's so cute. So it's a little kitty puff. It looks like a kitty sitting on a donut and has drizzling chocolate on its head. Sorry, hiccups. And let's squish. So soft. My god, it's so soft. It also has licensing on the bottom of it. And it smells sweet, but it's not that such a strong scent. So that's pretty good. So squishy. It's not that slow rising. It is slow rising, but not so slow rising. I mean, let's compare them. Yeah. Are they the same? No. You can see that this one is still slow rising. It's not that it's not slow rising, but other squishies are more slow rising than this one. So we're done with this bag and let's open this one. What do I have in here? And it's another Kiibru squishy, and it's a panda holding ice cream, which you cannot see because there is a barcode on the front of the packaging. So this one was €6.87, and so the packaging is so cute. This one is a little bit dense compared to the new Kiibru squishies. They are not dense at all, and this one has a little dense to it, but it's slow rising, so it's very cute. He's holding a mint ice cream. He has sprinkles on his head with chocolate, and it's so adorable. Do you guys agree with me? Isn't it cute? Also licensing on the bottom. I love the little paws. It's so cute. And these two smell the same. They're so cute. Oh my god, they're so cute. So in this bag was only that one. So I'm going to open the last bag, which I have it right here. And whoa, this is a huge one. So the next one is this one, and I don't remember what it's called exactly. It's a magic volcano ice cream cake squishy toy. So it's pretty huge, and for the price of it, it's very cheap because it was €7.45. On the packaging it says squishyvidscy, and it has a crown. Oh, that's a big package. And well, that is slow. Open it up. Packaging in packaging. Whoa, the colors on it are majestic. It has a little defect here, unfortunately, but it's so huge. It doesn't smell like, I don't know. It's so squishy. Let's see it rise. This is slow rising. I love the rainbow effect on it. It's so cute. Were they supposed to be strawberries? I don't know. They have little seeds on them. So this is ice cream, I guess. And it's textured here. Some of the parts look like defects, but it's textured. That's how it's supposed to be. It's so good. It's so good to squish. Next one is, oh my god, this is one that makes me real excited because it's Pusheen the cat, and I love Pusheen the cat. It's not Pusheen cat licensed, but it's Pusheen cat design. So on the packaging it says good night for some reason, and it's in the sea, and it's WOW squishy. The brand is WOW or wow, I don't know. The price for this one was €9.11. Well, it's not that slow rising, but it's soft. It's dense, but it's so cute. Oh my god, I love It smells so good. I don't know what kind of smell this is. It's the first time I smell like something like this. I don't know what it is, but it's so good. Is there licensing on it? No, I think not. So it's pushing as a mermaid, and it has a little star right here, and a little blue tail and pink fins. The only thing that is kind of weird on this squishy is Pusheen's face, because I don't think that's how his face looks like. I think they did it on purpose though. I don't know, but it's so cute. I love it. It's my favorite squishy because I love the character so much. I wish I could buy the Pusheen subscription box. The new one is out now for spring, and I've talked with them if I could order it, but they told me they do not ship to my country, unfortunately. But I wish I could get it though from them. I looked it up on eBay, but it's too expensive. I mean, on eBay it's like 120 euro, and if you get it from their site, it's like about 60 euro, I think. And it's kind of unfair paying a double price. So anyway, I hope someday they decide to start shipping to my country. Anyway, let's go to the final squishy that I have, and it's Gudetama. And Gudetama is another favorite character of mine. Oh my god, this is sealed. Why do you send me sealed squishies? Okay, I don't like opening sealed squishies. I feel like I destroy their packaging if they're sealed, but I cannot not open this one. So I'm going to... Whoa, it made a sound. So again, this one is not Sanrio licensed. Yeah, if it was Sanrio licensed, it would say it on the packaging. But it is not. It's squishy made by Connie. So yeah, it also has a WeChat on it. I don't know. Anyway, it smells very nice. So my phone, what? It's a pink burger with burger, lettuce, and egg. And the egg is Gudetama, and he's like, oh, leave me alone. And it has a defect right there. Why do you have a defect? Anyway, it's so cute, so good as decorating. That's good. I'm going to decorate somewhere because packaging now is ripped. And this one is so soft. But it's not so slow rising. It smells like bread. Oh my god, my feet has fallen asleep. Oh my god, ow. Yeah, it hurts. I'm going to stand up in a few minutes and be like, oh. Anyway, enough with my feet. So this is the last squishy from my package. I love it. It's Gudetama, and he's so adorable. He matches with my cute bun. The price for this one was, where is it? €7.28, and that's pretty good because it's a good size for a squishy and it's good quality, except for the defect. But it's a paint defect. I don't know. Anyway, so these are all the squishies I got today. I hope you liked watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you did enjoy it, comment down below which one of these squishies was your favorite. my favorite squishy. You all know what it is. It's my Pusheen cat squishy. This cute mermaid is my favorite squishy. And yeah, if you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want. And see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.